Direction for the following 4 items. Read the following 2 pages and answer the items that follow the pages. Your answer to these items should be based on the pages only. Pages 1. For 2 or 3 generations past, ever increasing number of individuals have been living as workers merely, not as a human being. An excessive amount of labor is ruled today in every circle of society, with the result that man's spiritual elements cannot be thrived. He finds it very difficult to spend his little leisure in serious activities. He does not want to think, or he cannot even if he wants to. He seeks not self improvement but entertain, which would enable him to be mentally idle and to forget his usual activities. Therefore, the so called culture of our age is dependent more on cinema than on theatre, more on newspaper, magazine, and crime stories than on serious literatures. Question number 41. The passage is based on the idea that a man should not work hard. B. The great evil of our age is overstrain. C. The man cannot think well. D. The man cannot care for his spiritual welfare. Answer is B. The great evil of our age is overstrain. Question number 42. The man does not seek self improvement because he is not intellectually capable. B. Has not time to do so. C. Is distracted by materialism. D. Loves amusement and is mentally idle. Answer is D. Love amusement and mentally idle. Passage 2. The demographic dividend, which has begun in India and is expected to last another few decades, is the great window of opportunity. The demographic dividend is basically a swelling in the working age population, which conversely means that the relative ratio of every young and very old will for a while be on the decline. From the experience of Ireland and China, we know that this can be source of energy and an engine of economic growth. The demographic dividend tends to raise a nation's saving rate, since in any nations it is the working age population that is the main saver, and since the saving rate is an important driver of growth, this should be help elevate our growth rate. However, the benefits of demographic dividend depend on the quality of working age population, and it implies the bringing back the importance of education, acquisition of skills, and human capital. Question number 43. Which of the following would inevitably happen in the country when the demographic dividend has begun to operate? 1. Number of literate people will decrease. 2. The ratio of very old and very young will decrease for a while. 3. Population growth rate will quickly stabilize. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2, 3 only. Answer is option B 2 only. Question number 44. With reference to the passage, which of the following inference can be drawn? Demographic dividend is an essential condition for a country to rapidly increase in economic growth. Promotion of higher education is essential condition for country for its rapid economic growth. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option number D, neither 1 nor 2. Question number 45. 5 friends P, Q, X, Y, Z purchase some notebooks. The relevant information is given below. Z purchased 8 notebooks more than X did. P and Q together purchased 21 notebooks. Q purchased 5 notebooks less than P did. X and Y together purchased 28 notes. P purchased 5 notebooks more than X did. If each notebook is price is 40, then what is the total cost of all notebooks? Option A rupees 2600. Option B rupees 2400. Option C 2360. Option D 2320. Answer is A, that is 2600. Question number 46. A man started from home at 14:30 hours and drove to village, arriving there when the village of the clock indicated 15:50 hours. After the staying for 25 minutes, he drove the back by different routes of length and 1.25 times the first route at the rate of the twice at the first of the reaching the home at 16 hours. As compared to the clock at the home, the village clock is A 10 minutes slow, B 5 minutes slow, C 10 minutes slow fast, and D 5 minutes fast. Answer is D 5 minutes first. Question number 47. A person X wants to distribute some pens and among the 6 children A, B, C, D, E and F. Suppose A gets twice the number of pens and received by B. There are times that of C, 4 times that of D, 5 times that of E and 6 times that of F. What is the minimum number of pens X and X should buy so that the number of pens each one gets is an even number? Option A 147, option B 150 and option C 294 and option D 300. Answer is option C, that is 294. Question number 48. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting equidistant from each other around a circular table facing the center of the table. Consider the question and two statements given below. Question: who is the sitting on the immediate of left of B? Statement 1. B is sitting of the opposite to the C and D of the sitting opposite to E. Statement 2. F is sitting on the immediate of left of B. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the question and the statement? Option A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Option 2. Statement 2 alone of the sufficient to the answer. Option C. Both statement 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question. Option D. Both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the questions. Answer is option number D, that is both statements are not sufficient to answer the questions. Question number 49. Consider the questions and two statements given below. Question: what is the age of the Manisha? Statement: Manisha is 24 years younger than her mother. Statement 2. 5 years later, the ages of Manisha and her mother will be in the ratio 3:5. Which one of the following correct in respect of the question and the statement? Statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question. Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. C. Both 1 and 2 statement is sufficient to answer the question. And option number D. Both statement 1 or 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Answer is option number C. Both statement 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question. Question number 50. 6 lectures A, B, C, D, E and F, each of the hour duration of the schedule between 8 am and 2 pm. Consider the question and the two statement given below. Question: which of the lecture is the third of the period? Statement 1 lecture F is preceded by A and F followed by C. Statement 2 there is no lecture after to the lecture B. Which one of the following of the correct in respect of the question and the statement? Statement 1 alone is the sufficient to answer the question. Statement 2 alone is the sufficient to answer the question. Both statement 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question. Both statement 1 or 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. Answer is statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question, that is option D. Thank you.